My dear student, I am so happy to welcome you to my brand new course about dynamic ads. Dynamic ads are really powerful. So you can use them on the Instagram, on the Facebook, and it has been so great for e-commerce. You can use them for dynamic retargeting, but also for catalog sales. And it's extremely powerful, but most people do not know how to use them. So I have created this special guide to really empower your e-commerce, to really show you how to do it right. So I'm showing how to create the complete setup in the Facebook Business Manager, how to correctly set up the Facebook pixel, and how to use dynamic ads, how to create dynamic carousel, how to create dynamic experience and instant experience that is so great on mobile. I am showing it on a real case study, and I am also showing how to do it for real estate. So you can know how to do it manual as well as automated with solutions like Shopify. And this is very, very powerful, very great. And I would love to invite you because you will love it. So please welcome to this magnificent course. I did my best to do it really fast, to explain everything in depth, in detail. So welcome and be really successful.